Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday we talked about different types of linear perspective. We had 1 point, 2 point, 3 point perspective, and then multi-point perspective. And we really emphasize on 1 and 2 point perspective. Now that we are done with 1 point perspective, we are going to practice 2 point perspective using different photos from different architects, just like how we did with 1 point perspective, 7 GreatestArchitect. So you can find your, let's see, 2 point perspective packet on Schoology. It's going to be titled GreatestArchitect2point doc. Now you have two different options. Option number one, you can print out a packet, complete a packet by using different pen and draw your orthogonal vanishing point and horizon line and submitting photos of your work on Schoology. Or option number two, you can use a Word document if you have hard time printing, but I would highly suggest you to actually try drawing it on a piece of paper. But if you can't, you can use Word document. But you're going to face a little bit of challenge with this one because often 2 point perspective needs a lot of horizontal spaces. So you might have to resize your photo and where you can also show two vanishing points and save the document and submit your photos. Of course, I'll help you out in this video as to how to do that. So let's go ahead and take a look at. Oh, and if you don't know how to, if you don't recall how to complete this homework on Word document, you can also reference it back to 7GreatestArchitect 1 point video that I created, MP4 file, and apply the same knowledge to complete this homework. So it's a GreatestArchitect2point document. You can pretty much find this file on Schoology. Now, I'm only going to give you 3 different options, and I'm going to do Frank Lloyd Wright, The Falling Water House as an example with you. Make sure you use different color pen or color pencils to distinguish orthogonal lines, vanishing points, and horizon line. And of course, answer question number 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and get to it. So here I had to resize the photo, okay, and I'm going to use an orthogonal line with an orange, color orange. So I'm going to look at all the edges. I'm seeing all the edges on the building. These are not one building, but different columns, really. So I'm going to use the left-hand side edges to make one vanishing point, like so. And I keep working on the same points, same sort of practice. And I was able to find one vanishing point. And I'm going to work on the length of the building and create and find another vanishing point right there. Now, after that, I should be able to find vanishing point, which I made it with green. It's not showing here, but there is another vanishing point here, and horizon line with blue. This practice will help you actually drawing your own 2 point perspective houses and different objects. So this will be helpful practice. So let's go ahead and complete that, and it will be a classwork, a minor grade for your grade book. All right, bye guys.